We are grateful to one of our clients for pointing out that sugarcoating is a fundamental characteristic of American communication. Some pills would be difficult to swallow because of their bitter taste. That is why they have an outer layer of sugar, a sugar coating. In American culture, we risk being considered rude if we speak too directly. When we make requests, we go beyond simply saying please. When we want something, we seem to ask polite permission. In a restaurant, we may say, "May I please have more coffee?" rather than simply, "More coffee, please." More than in some other cultures, we say thank you for routine actions performed for us. In stores and restaurants, in response to the smallest offer of assistance, we often express gratitude. When we buy something, we often say thank you after we pay. If we are not in agreement, we make an effort to make the disagreement more palatable. We may say, "I hear what you are saying," or "There may be some truth in what you are saying," even if we completely disagree. Sometimes we even avoid telling the truth if the truth may offend. If someone asks, "How do you like my new necktie?" we would never say, "I really don't like it." Rather, we might tell a white lie. A white lie is a polite, harmless lie. We might say, "That tie looks great." Or if we want to avoid a white lie, we could simply say, "It's so unusual. I never saw anything like that. Where did you get it?" Even when we refuse an invitation or an offer of assistance, we do so in a way that is sure to express a pleasant feeling. Sugarcoating is something worth paying attention to. In American culture, we do it unconsciously and automatically. If you are new to our culture, increase your awareness of this vital aspect of American communication. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. For more free tutorials, or for information about speech training classes, visit www.confidentspeech.com.